Hello everyone, in this video I am going to post a job which is related to front-end development, which is nothing but I need a Node.js developer. Okay, if you are good in Node.js or in React.js, do apply for this opportunity. And I don't want a person who has worked in Java along with Node.js, which will become a full stack developer. I need pure Node.js developer for this requirement. You will be working only in Node, you won't get chance to work in some other thing. And added advantages, if you know React also, you can work in React.js also. So this opening, again, we don't have any location constraint due to this pandemic. We are hiring people across India. There is no location constraint. In terms of compensation, again, we don't have any constraint. We can match your expectation. And third thing is office. We won't call you to office right now because you can sit and work in your current location wherever you are in India. Interviews will happen through Teams, so no need to worry about that as well. Moreover, one more thing which I want to highlight is, if you are a full stack developer or a Java backend developer, I have done such videos, so do go and check out my video. If you are looking out for a job change, please share your resume, as well as if you know any of your friends who are working in Java or in front-end technologies, do share this video so that they will get benefited. And if you are a Node.js or a React.js developer, please share your resume to me. And if you want to know more about my role, I work as an HR. So I hire people for my organization. I am not a consultant or a consultancy person. I work in a service-based company, so I hire people for my organization. Do share your resume. Your profile will be kept as confidential. It will not shared anywhere. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe this channel for more job related videos.